Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. New IPO is announced and this time it's from healthcare sector. PureHealth is going public and in this video I will share all the information related to PureHealth IPO. But before that, if you are new here, subscribe the channel for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Also on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, after watching this video, if you think it was helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. With that, let's start the video. Just to inform you, PureHealth is biggest healthcare provider in the U.A.E. and Abu Dhabi Investment Company is the major shareholder in PureHealth. Now please keep a note of the dates, that is, when is it starting and ending. Well, you can start subscribing on 6th of December for both professionals and retail investors, and it will end on 11th of December. Let me tell you, this is one of the biggest IPO. They are offering 10% of their stake, that is equivalent to 3.62 billion dirhams worth of IPO. If we talk about in terms of total shares, then the offering is 1.11 billion shares. This is huge. Out of this, 95.5% will be given to professional investors and only 4.5% is allocated to retail investors, that is 50 million shares out of 1.1 billion shares. Still, this is good and I'm very sure this IPO will be also oversubscribed. Something very important here is they have already announced the price per share of PureHealth will be 3.26 dirhams. So you can now easily calculate your investment and plan accordingly for PureHealth IPO. And to subscribe this IPO, minimum investment from retail investors should be 5,000 dirhams, and if you want to add more, it should be in multiple of 1,000 dirhams. So I think this is good. Most of the retail investors can easily invest 5,000 dirhams and expect some capital gains. Once you have subscribed this IPO, allocations for professional investors will be on 13th of December, whereas for retail investors, allocation will be done on 14th of December. You will be receiving confirmation of allocation by SMS, and if there are any refunds, you will get it on 15th of December, obviously directly into your bank account. And finally, PureHealth will be listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, that is ADX, on 20th of December 2023. So these were the highlights of PureHealth IPO. In case if you are interested to read their prospectus, then please visit their website. I will provide the link in the description box. And now let's understand how to subscribe PureHealth IPO. Well, first thing first, it's very important and mandatory to have an investor number, that is also called NIN, from Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. If you have an investor number from Dubai Financial Market and if you are planning to subscribe this IPO, then no, it will not work. You will need an investor number from ADX. Just in case if you still do not have an investor number, I have uploaded a video. I have explained step by step how to get an investor number for Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. I will provide a link right at the top. You may watch that video and follow the steps. You will get the investor number within 24 hours. Second thing that is mandatory is bank account. Obviously, your funds will be transferred to subscribe this IPO. Also, there are chances you may get the refund directly into your bank account. So having a bank account is very, very important. Participating banks for PureHealth IPO are first Abu Dhabi Bank, U.A.E, and Al Maria Community Bank. There is also an option where you can subscribe this IPO directly through Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange website, that is www.adx.ae. Click on the IPO, it will take you to a e-portal where you can subscribe directly through the website. And other option is through the brokers. I'm sure they will be providing this service so that you can subscribe this IPO directly from their mobile application. Overall, I think this is a bumper IPO. It will be oversubscribed. There is a huge demand for IPOs in Middle East. Investors are very confident to put their money in the markets. As usual, please do your own research before investing in any stock or IPOs. Consult your financial advisors and then invest. I wish you all the very best. And if this video was helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.